So this is standard snapping in Blender. Select the points, activate snapping tool, drag the points to snap. And if you have to adapt your geometry to the other, you have to adjust points manually. But what if you have points that have different positions? You end up with something like this. With Multi-Vertex Snap, we avoid all of this. Select the target object, choose the max distance, and hit snap to nearest. Here is another example. Snap 5 vertices into 2. Select the points, select the target object, hit snap to nearest. Voila! 5 to 2. And what about 32 vertices cylinder into 16 vertices cylinder into 8? This add-on will be available soon, and you can wish list it on superhivemarket.com.